that sound? That sound is light rail transit coming to St. Paul. The Central Corridor connecting Minneapolis to St. Paul's Union Depot is a $1 billion investment in the city's infrastructure and the largest public works project in St. Paul's history. Here on University Avenue and in downtown St. Paul, big changes are underway. There will be challenges during construction, but we have many resources to help you through the process. Visit stpaul.gov/Central Corridor for project information, business assistance, and more. There you can sign up to receive email construction updates or call the construction hotline at 651-602-1404 for questions, comments, or general information. The Central Corridor Light Rail Transit will connect our region and rebuild St. Paul.